I am Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I am your 3D trainer and coach. Here I would like to explore this FRP GULLY cover or water drainage cover in 3D, that is in SolidWorks. This picture was captured from a street in Mangaluru.
Let's look at its overall dimensions in mm. Length 680, height 580 and 40 mm thick. GULLY cover, rectangular cutouts and embossing text details are here. Cutouts are all equally spaced. There are 3 text embossings and material of construction is FRP, that is fiber reinforced polymer or plastic. A brief description for FRP and its 3 mechanical properties, that is density, tensile strength and Young's modulus. A more detailed breakdown on FRP density. Typical range is 1.5 to 2.1 gram per centimeter cube. And the big advantage, FRP is lighter than steel and could be stronger than steel as well. So FRP is a good choice when reducing weight is a priority. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pick. Now I am in SolidWorks. First and foremost, on the top plane, let's draw a center point rectangle, added dimensions of 680 by 580 and fully defined it. Then drawn 2 construction lines symmetrically of 60 mm gap to separate the cutouts. Let's solidify the GULLY cover to a thickness of 40 mm with extrusion. Then on the cover top face, sketched a rectangle of 160 by 30 positioned with shown dimensions and fully defined. Completed sketch for the first cutout on the top left. Then created the first rectangular through cutout with up to surface end condition. This is the linear pattern direction 1 sequence and definition for the rectangular cutout. And similarly, direction 2 sequence and definition for linear pattern. In both directions, up to reference option has been used, which is very parametric. The cutout linear pattern, 4 instances in direction 1 and 3 instances in direction 2. The completed 12 rectangular cutouts on the top half of the cover. Then the 12 rectangular cutouts duplicated to bottom half using mirror features. Then sketched 3 construction lines with shown dimensions for the sketch text. Then 3 sketch texts, Mangaluru Smart City, FRP GULLY cover and numerals 600 by 500 being added with Arial font. Then the 3 sketch texts being embossed to a height of 1 mm. The completed embossings and weaving through magnifying glass. I searched the SolidWorks material library, but I didn't get the exact FRP material with proper density. So I have created a new custom material FRP with density of 2000 kg per meter cube in the material library and applied it to 3D GULLY cover. Then added fillets of radius 3 mm to all internal edges of 24 rectangular cutouts with smart selection. Then added rounds of radius 10 mm to 4 external edges with smart selection. Let's check the mass properties. The calculated mass is about 22 kg. Let's begin the 2D detailing. From the view palette, I dragged and placed the front view, then placed a right view as a projected view. Then placed an isometric view on the right top. Then using the model items tool, imported all required dimensions directly from the model, then placed and positioned precisely. The completed detailing with important and required dimensions, rotated isometric view and enlarged embossing texts. And ultimately A little about its manufacturing process. These GULLY covers are manufactured in SMC or DMC compression molding machines. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. I do 3D workshops for engineering students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.